Recently, I got a mail call from Dispatch, and they sent me several items from their product line. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of those things. Stick around. I just want to take a moment to greet everyone. I want to thank all of my subscribers, and I want to welcome all the new visitors here to 411 Outdoors. Hope you find this content helpful and resourceful. Let's get started. This video is somewhat time sensitive because I was informed that for a limited time, there's going to be a 30% off sale on Dispatch products on their Amazon page. And I just wanted to say up front that I'm not an affiliate of Dispatch. I only review products for them, so I will not be getting a commission on any of these sales. I only review things and provide a link for you to go check it out yourself. If you missed the sale, you can still go out and check out what they have. They sell a lot of budget blades, a lot of pretty cool survival gear. In this video, we're going to be looking at 4 different things that will be included in that sale, but there's also many other things that you will be able to browse through and take a look at. I had the opportunity to pick the products that I wanted to be able to bring to this review, and what I did was pick 4 things that I feel represent a large part of what you can find on their page. First on the list is a D2 steel folding Tanto knife with G10 scales. Very smooth, 3.7-inch blade, an excellent EDC, designed well for thumb placement here, pocket clip, nice sturdy weight to it, and really attractive looking blade. It was the first one that grabbed my attention when I took a look at their site. This is a razor sharp, hair shaving sharp for sure, right out of the box. You'll be able to find this item for 30% off. Very sweet looking pocket knife. Next on the list is this really cool neck knife, 2.3-inch blade, really sharp. Almost kind of takes on the look of a push dagger, but that's not what it is. But nice little firm handle here, nice grip, little window breaker on the bottom of this. I'll tell you something I like about this neck knife that kind of stands out to me. I do a lot of horizontal carry, and one of the things that I'll do is I'll take loopholes like this and I'll put zip ties in those so that I can mount this on my belt horizontally. Man, this would carry really great horizontally. If you had one of those days where you really needed to travel light and you needed to conceal your blade, this is a really great option because the way this sheath is here, you could easily put the zip ties around here and put this on horizontally, and you would be able to conceal this very well. This is very short in length and, very handy little blade. Very good little last ditch blade. Now we're going to get into some meat and potatoes and take a look at this fully functional military shovel. I'm going to take this thing right out of the pack. I love getting stuff like this. This is really great. If you don't have one of these, you really need to get one. You can obviously tighten it down like this, or you can turn it this way and it'll, you can use this pry bar. You can hit this way. Very handy tool to keep in a pack or to take camping with you. This is also included in their 30% off sale. It comes with a nice carrying case, so it's really easy to take around and very useful. This next blade is so cool, I had to give it its own review, and it's the Karambit that we looked at the other day. This is also included in their sale. Now, if you like your Karambit to be colorful, if you like different models, go out and take a look at their page because they've got a lot of different kinds of Karambit knives to choose from. If you didn't get a chance to see that review the other day, I want to give you an up-close look at this. Now, this Karambit is for anybody with a large glove size and under. If you have an XL hand or a double XL, probably will not be comfortable to you. It fits my medium hand really good, as I said in the video the other day. This is very comfortable. If you have a large or medium glove especially, this is going to feel good to you. And this is razor sharp, and it's double-edged with a serrated edge right here. So I found this to be a very unique Karambit, and I'm a big fan of this one. And here's the sheath that it comes with, and kind of a taco-looking sheath. I like the belt attachment here. You don't have to put this on with your belt. You can go ahead and put your pants on, put your belt on, and then attach this wherever you want. It comes open just like this. You can mount it upright, or you can turn it upside down. Pretty cool. My goal with this video was just to provide you a few examples of the things that you'll be able to find on their Amazon page right now, and hopefully give you the chance to capitalize on the 30% off deal. So I'll just say, if you're in the market for any of these things, whether it's a folding knife, a karambit, a neck knife, or a shovel, you should be able to find a lot of what you're looking for on their page. So since it's a sale right now, go out and check it out and see what you can find. Thanks for watching, and take care.